Hey guys, welcome to Aprotech Electronics. Today we are talking about the essential requirements of starting up a business, and most people they have come to fail while starting up a business because most of them they always think about capital as the most essential, but they forget that starting up a business without getting informed, it is also a bad factor because it can also influence your capital, it can affect your capital, whereby when you start up a business without making enough research or getting informed, as I've said before, it can affect you because you will end up selling the product which is not on the market. So let's go ahead. So what you need to do before you start or before you focus on any requirements, you need to first read and make research about any possible differences between the products which you want to sell. So that once you do such research, it will assist you to know that these are the products that we need to deal in, or it will give you the estimation of the capital. For example, a person who is interested in like this electronics, once you are going to start electronics and you first make a research and you know that accessories, they have a high market, you need to estimate the capital, but you cannot estimate the capital without first thinking about what is required, what are the products required. So let's go ahead. What I have in number one, we have paying tax. Once you're starting up and you pay the tax, that means your business will be legal and you'll be able to face any challenges regarding the laws or regulations of the businesses. So once you are starting up and you pay the tax, you're sure that whatever challenge comes up, for example, a customer has either you have got conflicts between you and the customer and he has decided to take you to the court, that means you can defend yourself because your business will be registered. So let's go ahead and go to number two. Number two, I have what we call capital. Capital, indeed, it is essential, but as I've said, you need to first focus on the making research and know the differences between the products so that you can estimate the capital very well. So that is capital. When we go to number three, in number three we have focus and the consistency. So what do I mean by focus and the consistency? Here people have faced a challenge whereby once they start a business, they don't focus on the business. It happens that they have other plans which they are focusing on, or they're saying that, oh, the business has failed, yet they haven't given it enough time to see what it can yield in a long run. So you have to be consistent and know that this is what I want, and this is the product which I'm selling, so that you can keep being consistent. So that is it. So what I have in number four is a product, or what you want to sell in, what you want to sell, or what we call the nature of business. So let's take it as nature of business. So whenever you are going to start a business, you have to first select the nature of business or the type of business which you want to deal in. For example, what I mean, if you are dealing for example, electronics, you don't need again to find you are also in other things, like for example, like these things of the store. You have to make sure you are dealing in one product, or what we call a certain type of business. For example, like electronics. If you are dealing in electronics, you have to make sure you are only in electronics. But once you go into other, it means that your capital will need to be increased. Also, you will need to put more efforts, whereby you cannot deal in many products and you manage to supply them at the right time. You find that you have disappointed either different customers who will not come back to your business. So you have to ensure that you deal in certain specific products which are selling. Yeah, so that is it. Please, if you have any questions or any comments, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or to leave a message. Yeah, thank you for watching. Catch you in the next episode, which will also be on the similar topic, which is business and how to start the business or the business ideas. Yeah, so catch you in the next one.